Hello everyone, and welcome to a collaboration that I'm doing with Mommy Ramblings and Mama Ames. If you don't know their channel, I will leave their channels in the description box below. Please go over and show them some love too, because they are doing some adorable Easter, spring DIYs. Guys, I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Until we get together again, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget it. Talk to you soon, guys. Enjoy. Hey guys, how you doing? I'm gonna revamp this little Hello Spring. Here we go. I'm just going to take off the burlap bow and the little tail. Okay, and now I'm just going to paint it white. I have a little gesso left, so I'm going to use that. So I'm going to put you to music. Okay, so let's finish this guy. So I painted as much as I'm going to. I mean, I could paint until the cows come home. This is really a hard one to cover. So I think what I'm going to do first is I'm going to paint this the way I want to paint it. And I think I'm going to do the black with polka dots first. And I'm just going to use my chalk paint from Martha Stewart. I don't want to paint it after I put the contact paper from Dollar Tree. I love this contact paper. I'm just going to paint this. Paint it all the way around, do a couple coats, and then come back and do some polka dots, and then we'll put the contact paper on. Alright, so now I'm just going to take a little bit of this contact paper, cut it off, and trace the best I can around. Okay, so I took some ribbon from Hobby Lobby and I just tied around the neck, literally, because I want this to be my anchor, meaning where I want to glue, hot glue. And I'll make a ribbon probably out of the Courtly check, because she mixes and matches all kinds of florals with the Harlequin. Okay, so let's get the bow on. Okay, so I'm just going to put on a couple of these little green flowers. I always kind of place them first before I glue, just to make sure I've got them where I want them. And I don't normally do just 2 flowers. I'll do odd numbers. Okay, that's it. That's all I'm doing. So there's our little bunny from the 99-cent store. The other 2 from the 99-cent store, I'm going to go ahead, take the tags off this. I'm going to leave these the way they are. And I'm going to come in with the Courtly check. And these will make a cute vignette. I may do another one in the flowers and one in the Courtly check. Okay, so I'm going to paint this one first and not make the mistake of putting on the Courtly check paper before. That was not a good move, Daveda. Not a good move at all. Okay, for this guy, I just put a little bit of ribbon, like a tie almost, and just one little flower. And for this one, I'm just tying a little bit of the black polka dot with the white, black with the white polka dots. I'm just going to put that here on her. Thanks again, guys, for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope I inspired you. Get out those wooden bunnies and get decorating.